Aren't they cute? These are sleeping, so be quiet. Don't you dare!
Sharky, stop what you're doing right now. You cannot be trusted with these baby chicks. Now go in another room, and we're gonna put these chicks in the toy room. Go! Back! Go! This is the perfect place for them. They got their food, they can play, and they got plenty of room. This one could eat the pretend food. That one could play with the other pets. That one in there could take a bath. And that one right there could just sit there. That one up there could take a nap. And that one up there could poop and watch TV. Good night, sweeties.
Good night.
Come on, let's go. No sharks allowed.
Click the video on the left or the card at the top right now to see where we got these baby chicks from. It's a freaky video. Now click the video on the right or the card at the top right now to see Sharky steal Victoria's ring, and he swallowed it. We got it back, but we had to get tricky and messy.